So we are going to look at how do we add files for downloads. Okay. You have seen how you add images, but you have not seen how you add, for example, a document. You have a PPT, you have a PDF. You want someone to download. How do we add them here? So that someone is able to download that file and they're able to get more details. Maybe you have a newsletter. The union has a newsletter maybe after every 3 months or after every month. You can upload that newsletter on the website and you can share that link, for example, to different social media handles, to different organizations, just to see that, to show that the ICT union is actually active and this is what is happening in that union. That is how you lobby for things. So let us see how we can add different files for downloads. So we are going to exit here first of all and go back to our dashboard. So when you're here in the dashboard, you're going to come now to downloads here. Click on downloads. Okay, so as you can see, they have 0 file there, no file found. And when you also come to your downloads here, it tells you there's nothing, no packages found. So we are going to create our first file. Okay, what you do, click on downloads, say add new file. Add new file. Click on that button. Add new file. Okay. Now to ask you for the name of that file. I write it here. So maybe you can say union, maybe district union profile. Okay. Maybe it is a profile. So when you're done there, you come to your right here where it says attach file. Attach file. Press on select. When you press select, it will now open for you this dialog box. So this dialog box here is which is going to help you locate your file. So if you have your file on the desktop, you click on desktop. Have it in downloads, you click downloads. So for example, this is your profile, click on the profile there. This is a PDF, open. So here to show you the progress. Right? So to tell you now, this is the union profile. It also gives you shows you that you've attached this file. If you want to delete it, you can delete it from here using this dustbin here. Delete it. So when you've added that file, you scroll down and publish. Scroll down and publish. So you just put the name, upload the file, and publish. And it will tell you your post has been published. Now, when you come here to downloads, this time you refresh, you must be able to find that file, you see. So you'll now be able to find that PDF that shows the district union profile. And then you'll also have a button here to download it. So the visitor that comes now to your website will be able to download that profile. Click on it just once like this. And that file will be downloaded to either their mobile phone or any device that they are using. Your mobile phone or the computer. Okay, so when it's downloaded, you can now see it here. It has been downloaded. Now, there you're able to open using your file. So the same way now, if we have any different files, you have maybe a newsletter and you want it to be published there, you do the same thing. You come to downloads, add new file, So if this is a newsletter, you give it the title, you say maybe Q2 newsletter. Okay. Then you attach that file, attach it. Okay. Attach maybe this one. See. Okay. So when the file has been uploaded, you now publish. So just like that, you will now have two files. You have your profile, you have your newsletter. So that is the different ways in which you're able to add files. And also you can see the number of downloads here. Whenever someone downloads, you can see the count. So if you have different downloads, if there are 10, this one will show 10 like that. So that is how you add the different files. You come to downloads, give it a title. You go to your right here, select file, where it is, and then you publish. Okay. So that is how you create these downloads here, this page here. So we have looked at the home page, the About Us page, how you're able to add the different text, images. We have looked at the news and events, how you're able to add a different type of posts. Okay, if you have an event, etc. And then we have seen how you add, like this is a featured image, this is the post, the title, and the data. And then we have looked at the downloads. Okay, so how to add the different files. Right now, today we are going to